Hey, it's Mystery Hockey here today. Gonna be unpackaging a package I got from MoGo. Let's see what's inside. Let's open it. So, MoGo is a company that makes flavored mouth guards. Yep. Comes with, they sent me a t-shirt. Pretty cool. MoGo, the flavored mouth guard. So I'll be wearing it in my next video where I'll be reviewing it. It comes with flavor samples. So like I said, these mouth guards are flavored, and here's some samples that they sent. Hope you and yeah. They sent me 4 mouth guards here. Orange flavored one, really cool. Fruit punch flavored one, and yeah, really good. A mint flavored one, packaging, and a lemon flavored one. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to test out this product and review it. Seems to be a good product. Heard good things about them. So if you guys see one of these in the store by MoGo, you guys should go out and buy it. They're really good products, and can't wait to use it. And a review will be coming up soon. So guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.